Okay, this is the grand entrance. And the beginning of our walking tour. Welcome to Tierra, Atitlan. So lots of projects happening right now. This is for the well to pump water up, and there will be very big things to keep the water in. And then a shed. These are 2 parking spots. And then our first casita, which is almost done. We'll do a little tour. Tons of landscaping has happened. Casita numero uno. Doesn't have a name yet. So very simple. This is the bedroom. And then there's just gonna be a little nook here, counter maybe, and bathroom. We don't have a sink yet. Shower, pretty lights, pretty ceilings. Yeah. Okay, so this is a casita. And then, view from this direction. There's a volcano. It's kind of in view. And here's going to be the site of our second/third casita. So it's going to be joint. You can see it's huge. And they just did the foundation. This half over here will be, one room will have 2 bunk beds, so it'll hold 4 people. One will be just a small room with 1 bunk bed for 2 people, and then a big bathroom with 2 toilets and 2 showers. And then this side will be like 1 big bedroom and a living room and a bigger bathroom. So it'll be a bit bigger than that casita just on that side, but the footprint of this I think is triple. And then eventually there'll be the 3rd casita, which we're not exactly sure what it's going to be in this area. And then coming along down, Matt's very proud of all these rocks. It was tons of work getting those rocks out. Their little workers' quarters. This is the shared kitchen. Oh, well, this is going to be a big green play space. So we're going to, have games and little tables and stuff to play. And then this is the joint kitchen for all the casitas. So this is a bar on this side. You'll be able to sit on both sides, and a bar here you can sit on both sides. And then here will be a big grand table that everyone can eat at. So I think, we'll be able to hold up to like 15 people. And then this is going to be sink, counter space, and then there's going to be a huge cooking thing. It's like a restaurant grade, big, massive cooking space. So that's the kitchen. And then everywhere you see these little sticks, this is all planted. So hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of things we have planted. And then also over here you can see we've planted a boatload of banana trees. These are all going to be banana trees, these right here. And this bamboo fence will eventually be vined, which hopefully this rainy season sprouts us up a ton of growth. But all this is new landscaping. So much. And then we make our way down to our house. Eventually where the trooper is, there'll be like a little garage/shelter for the trooper. And then this is our house. This spot right here, these 2 dormitorios upstairs are not finished and we're working on, but those are going to be for the hosts of the retreat. So they'll each have their own little private bathroom and a space for them, and then they'll share our kitchen and they can share our living room with us. And then continuing down, I'll do a house tour later. There's boy dog. Hola, boy dog. Hola. Oh, yes. Oh, we just found out you have a little tumor and he needs chemotherapy. And there's Mama Nina, and here's Escuda. All families here. And there's little baby Nugget. And this is our living room / roof deck. So we'll go in there later. And then here are all of Matt's garden boxes that he worked so hard on building. So we've got a ton of stuff. And then this is like the little yard to our house. Hola! Here is Crema. Hi, Crema. Oh, Crema. Oh, Crema. And we have Oreo. Hi, Oreo. Hi, Oreo. And so we'll just turn you around so you can see. That's our house. And then Matt just built this pen for the dogs. So when we need to have them contained, they have this nice big space. They've got a little shelter in there that he built. And then coming, hola Rudy. And then coming down, that's all gonna be like vined in. So you'll drive through that, but it'll be like a little magical entryway. Currently this is Matt's gym, which eventually will move down to the lower property. And then our shed, Casa Piedra, which we lived in, holy moly. And we're grateful that's over. And you can see down to the lake, and we'll do a separate tour for the lower half of the property. But that is the upper half of the property.